Hello guys, welcome to another video of the Contented Family / B&H Toys and Craft. Today we're about to do an egg hunt indoors. Why? Because it was raining the whole day and we didn't have time or the energy to do it in the rain, in the mud, so we're doing it inside. So without further ado, welcome the one and only Bibiana and Harris. Ta-da!
Easter egg hunts, fun.
Hello! Woo! Oh! Hello! Oh, Bibiana found one already.
Can you find more? Can you find all the eggs?
Bibi, put them on the sofa here. Put them on the sofa so you don't lose them. B, okay, put them in your car, Bibi. Oh, B, look. I've already found one in the car. I know this is not fair, but there you go. Yes. Okay, Harris, put them in the car. Put them in the car, Harris. Come on. Put them in the car, Harris. Look. Bibiana's already put a few in there. There, Bibi's doing so good. Well done. Harris, come on. Put them inside here. Oh, wow. Bibi found a big one. Wow. Put it inside there, B. Or put it on the side. It doesn't matter. Put it on the side. It's too big. Yes. Can you find more? Blue one. Get it out. Oh, you're gonna go from there. Oh, what a struggle. But it's so worth it, isn't it, B? Yes, it is. Okay, find more, Bibi. Mummy's got so much in here. Come on, you've got to find more. Leave that there. B, look on the sofa. Oh, Hatchimals. Can we see? Can we see? Oh, wow. Well done. You found it.
Can you find more?
Find more, Bibi. Find more. There's another one inside. Oh, this is getting too easy for you, Bibi. You're getting so good at this. Yes, you did it. Harris, come on. What are you doing? Bibi's doing so good. B, take them. You can go inside. You can go inside. There are so many in here. Daddy can see so many inside there. Yes.
Come and take them out. Come on.
Everybody run.
Yeah, just put them all on the side and we can take them out. That's it. Look, Harris found one as well. Harris, put it in the car. Bibi, I can see more in there. That's it. That's it. B, look. There. Wow, this is so fun. I wish I was a child.
Come on, B. Where are all the eggs?
Bibi, find more. There are more in the house. B, more in the house. Oh, yes. Oh, you did it. Good girl. It's okay. It's okay. Let him have one. Come on. Half of them are his, Bibi. B, no. Put it down. Find more.
But come and put them all in your car.
Put them in the car, B. Yes! Which is that? Is that Hatchimal? Oh, wow. Oh, no. Let's put it away. Let's put it away. Let's put it here, Bibi. Come on. We're going to help you put them inside the car. Come on. Put them inside the car, Bibi. Oh, gosh. Wow. Wow. Oh, you found one more. Oh, there.
I can see more in the bowls.
B, I can see you with the balls. There. Put them in the car, Harris.
Come on, Harris.
Put them in the car. Put them in the car. Baby, inside the car. B, inside the car.
Oh, baby, I can see one more in there. Look, in the tunnel.
Look.
There were more in the tunnel.
More in the tunnel, B. You haven't seen them. There. Come in. Come on, get them. Oh, there are actually so many. Who's hiding them there? Oh, wow. That's so many. Come out. Come out. Come out. Hello. Oh, Daddy's gonna help you. There, I helped you. Oh, wow. Oh, B, you forgot one more inside. You forgot one more inside, B. There. Oh, Harris is going wild. Are there any more? B, are there more or is this it?
Are there more eggs?
Is there anything in here? No, there is nothing in here.
Are there more eggs in the bowls?
Are there more eggs in here? No, Daddy can't see anything. Can you guys?
Got them all?
That's it.
Yeah, you got them
You got
all.
all. So what have you got? You got those two big ones. I guess the blue one is for Harris and the pink one is for
Right,
you.
You have to open them first.
Yeah.
I know you're very impatient.
Then you've got what? You've got this Hatchimal there. You've got another Hatchimal egg there. And guys, look at this car. Look at this
yes,
car.
Harris wants to
There were
eat them.
so many.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this car. Wow.
So, guys, stay tuned for more videos. And we'll see what's inside the eggs.
Say bye, baby.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And wait for part 2.
Part 2 coming to be continued.